How you doing today? I'm Chip. Welcome to my workshop. Today we're going to build birdhouses. As you can see behind me, I've already built a couple that I made. I got another one in progress over there that I made out of old pallet that I had. You can make birdhouse out of cedar pickets. You can get them at your big box store for about $3. I had a piece of trim laying around, so I figured we'd try to build one out of this one. So let me get my tape measure. What we're going to do is we're going to build them about, I'd say, maybe 12 inches. We're going to build 3 at 12 inches. 2 for the sides and 1 for the back. You can use jigsaw, handsaw, skill saw. I would use my miter saw today, but I figured we'd do it with a jigsaw. Like I said, you can use a handsaw. Let me get my speed square. Take a speed square. Put your little line on it. Well, drop my phone. Now what I like to do is kind of line it up, take my foot against my speed square so I can keep it straight. And just repeat the process. Two sides and the back. So now I'm gonna get a little angle. Now you can do 45, 20 degree angle, 35 degree angle, whatever you want. I'm gonna come down about 3 inches from the top. Put a mark. Now I'm gonna do about a 15 degree angle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my speed square on there. Line up that top of that mark, and I'm gonna come down to 15 degrees on my speed square, right like there's 15 degrees. Make sure it's lined up good where I want it. Put me a line. Whoop. And we'll cut that out. Try to get 2 of them. Clamp also. Kind of hold it down. Pretty much even. A little bit more. Clamp it down. I think we might be able to get, yeah. Blade is deep enough, we can get 2 of it. Now, we have two sides in the back. To make the front, I'll take this, line it up on the bottom, put me a little, make sure it's pretty much straight, put me a little mark, take speed square. If you got a combination square, speed square, a straight line, anything will work. And we'll cut that out. Now we got two sides, the back and the front. Back, two sides and the front. Now, I'll take, what I'll do is we're going to put a hole in it. Let's see. There's got to be something like that. Now, depends on different birds use different size holes. We're going to do for a wen and a chickadee, and they're 1.5 inches. Other birds I think use 2.5. So, like I said, depends on the birds in your area. You can look up online, see what kind of, check online. And it'll tell you what size hole to make for, different birds, and it'll tell you, it'll give you an idea of what size hole you're gonna make. Now we're gonna use a hole saw. I'm gonna use a drill. You can use a drill press, or, So I'm gonna come down, maybe, I'd say, about 3 inches, maybe. 2.5, 3 inches, somewhere around there. About 2.5. So I got 5.5, so about 2 3/4 maybe. Right about there. And we're gonna drill a hole out. There you go. Open for the front. Now, what I like to do is just get some glue. Make sure it sticks. Just gonna take my sandpaper, kind of rough it up a little bit. And I'm going to sand the rest of it down a little bit. Just, you don't have to do this. It's something like I'm doing. It'll be a little rough. That's okay. Now, put a little glue. Now you want to use Titebond 3 for exterior use, or any exterior glue for exterior use. Let's put a little glue on it. Put your front on it. Kind of line it up at the top. We'll line up at the bottom. Like I said, you can use nails with a hammer, or you can use a nail gun, or screws. I'm going to use 1.25 inch screws, little brad nails. 1.25 brad nails, what I meant, not screws. I don't know why I said screws. That. The other one, same thing. Put a little glue on it. Well, open it up. Might help. Fumble in there. Now the glue will hold it, but so the nails are holding stuff and the glue dry. So line it up just like that. If you notice, I'm running my nail gun backwards and forwards because when you shoot it in, it'll go straight down. It likes to go at an angle, so the way the nails are made. Here you go, sides, the bottom. Take my other piece, take it like this. Now, kind of line it up. You can take me a pencil mark, put me a line right there. B square. Just like that. Clamp, hold it down. Take some more glue. Oh, I just used my board for some reason. Use my back. That was kind of silly of me. Now, since I take my back, now you see I got a little higher right here. That's so you can hang it in a tree, nail it to a fence post, whatever. Put some glue on it. I take my top, put my top on. Now you can either pull it down a little bit. You don't want to pull it down. You want to leave it a little. Now you can probably cut You can do it like that, leave some hair, but I wouldn't. Put it like this. Now you can measure down, you know, you can do a 2-inch overhang, 3-inch overhang, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. Kind of put me a little mark. A little glue on it. Like I said, it don't have to be pretty or perfect or anything like that. Just, I don't think the bird's gonna care if it ain't pretty or if it ain't perfect. There you go. Simple little bird house. Nothing fancy. And so you can make them on a weekend. Get your kids out in the workshop, help you build one. Maybe like me, got grandkids. Get your grandkids out, help you build it. They can paint it, different colors, put different stuff on it, whatever they want to do. Mother's Day's coming up. They can make their grandmother or their mother a birdhouse for Mother's Day. I mean, I think she'd be proud of it. I got a video I made last week of simple planter boxes. That'd be something else you can probably do on the weekends with your kids out in the workshop for their mother or their grandmother that, you know, likes gardening. You know, you can get them that for mother. They can build a birdhouse and give them to their grandmother or mother for Mother's Day. It's even a good birthday gift for their grandmother or mother. For the kids can build something, and I'm pretty sure they'll be real proud of getting it. And now there's a lot of people say you need to keep open it to get it where you can open it up to clean out the nest. If you want to, you can put a hinge up here and you can hinge it if you want to clean out the nest every season. A lot of people say you need to clean it out. A lot of people say that the birds will take care of it themselves. So, I mean, that's whatever you choose to do. I just choose to leave it sealed. I'll let the birds take care of it. But if you want to, like I said, you can put a hinge up here. You can hinge it up, clean it out every season when the birds leave. Excuse me. But there you go. A simple little bird house takes you on the week you do on the weekends. You can use trim, fence pickets, or like I did with these. I got some scrap pallet I took apart. So, I mean, you can make 3, 4, whatever you want. You can make it with a slope. You can make it with a pitch. I mean, I didn't have any measurements or anything. I just come up with a scale, and I just used the width as wide as the board. Just come up with whatever. You can make it, 12 inches. You can make it 16, or however big you want to make it. There you go. Simple little bird house. You can make takes as long as I did this video. So y'all have a good day. Be safe out there, and do me a favor if you want to see something else I build, maybe some more little simple projects, anything ideas you want me to try to do. Now, I don't do fancy furniture, expensive furniture, anything like that. I don't have the equipment or the stuff to do it with, but I can build little simple projects for you. Or I'm thinking about doing a little tool review on tools. So just give me some ideas maybe, and I'll try to build it for you. And if you like this video, can you please give me a thumbs up? Other than that, y'all have a good day, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next one.